Okay, so you guys don't care. You probably really don't care. My skin has improved so much. I'm so happy. I've never, like, my skin looks so much better than it used to. I'm not saying it's perfect because it is not. Trust me. And also, I do have makeup on a little bit. Oh, hold up. I am sweating and you can tell. The dermatologist did me right. Like, honestly, I just want to mention that because I'm so excited about it. And don't think it just came naturally, because I can assure you it did not at all. I'm gonna go to the gym now. Yeah. I don't even know where to put my camera. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so I was trying to get my groceries and of course the machine like froze, and I thought my card didn't have any money on it, but it did. I mean, like, I'm good. But the machine just froze and she had to call the head, or like she had to call somebody, and all the workers were coming over and everyone was staring at me, and that was full panic attack. Like, that's what that was. I don't even, woo! I was so stressed. Oh my god. That was the worst thing ever, and I never want to go grocery shopping by myself ever again. It's so hot. Oh wow. Okay, we're back in my car. So right now I'm going to meet my mom for lunch. My appointment is at 2:50 and I'm going to the dermatologist, if I haven't mentioned that either. And it is 1:17 right now. I definitely have a lot of time to kill, and I just also wanted to leave school early because not the vibe. I do not like school at all. Let me get you set up. Does that work? Yeah. Anyways, it feels so weird leaving school early. Like coming out here by myself and being in my car this early. I don't know. I wish I could do this every day, but unfortunately that's not the case. Here with mom. Here with mom. What do you want to say?
I'm really hungry.
It seems like vlogs are so much better when I'm with my mom.
Everything's so much better when I'm with you.
So we've been shopping for groceries, but someone recommended me peach rings and I wanted to try them, and I'm very excited about it because I've been meaning to buy them for a very long time now. So I got some and I'm going to try them. Try peach ring with me.
Sorry, I'm so hot.
Mom hasn't, I spilled it. Hasn't been in a vlog with me in a very long time.
True.
Okay, wait though.
Like, they're like, no. Well.
What does it taste like? It tastes like a drink. Kind of like peach tea, but that makes sense.
Wish for these in our peach tea. I'm getting our tea.
Now you're thinking. I don't know what this vlog is gonna end up being. Like, I intend for it to be a week vlog, like a week in my life. I don't know, like somebody cares or something. I don't know.
Remember that time we did the vlog and you put your straw through the cup and then poured tea on?
That's still one of my favorite ones.
Tea in your pants.
So cold! I'm so glad I got that on camera too. I'm literally just about to clean my room and do a little bit of organizing and clean out my closet. I'm probably going to include a little bit of that, but what I'm doing right now is not exciting, but I figured you guys would want to know because I'm just keeping it real. But I need to do laundry, clean out my closet, get a donation pile, all that kind of stuff. Okay, now it's closet time. Not too pumped about this. Oh my god. This is a mess. Like, Okay, let's get started. I am finally done with my closet, and I don't know how long I spent on it. It's 9:18 right now. I don't know when I started. Probably should have thought about that. Here's the final, what do I say? This is what it looks like now. Okay, it needs to be vacuumed, excuse that. I have my purses, my winter clothes, my sweaters, skirts, longer pieces, belts, and just shirts down here. So yeah, that is that. And then I have my shoes over here on the door, so we're good. And I also got a pretty good bit done in my room. I have a lot of trash to throw away, but yeah, I do need to do a lot of laundry still. I'm not going to show you that because that's kind of, I don't know. Might eat a bowl of cereal, I don't know, have to think about it. So while I was doing my laundry, I found like $3–4. They're like soaking wet, but money's money. I'm officially done for today.